My next session is about get paid to try new products. Every day there are new products launching in the world. We can get paid to try that new products. Companies pay top dollar to have users try their products and services for free. Simply complete free offers and the cash card pays you. You can also earn by doing surveys, shopping, referrals and interact in the same site. When you sign up, you will get $1. Now I will show you the cash card site and how to register and earn money. Now I am going to log on to cashcard.com. This is the cash card site. You can see earn extra cash, get paid to try new offers. Do you know that companies are paying top dollar to have users like you try their products and services for free? At Cashcat, we pass that money on to you. Here you can see earn your first dollar. When you sign up, you will get $1. Ways to earn. You can earn by offers, taking surveys, shopping, referrals and interact. Down here you can see there are featured offers. Now I am going to click learn more. In learn more you can see frequently asked questions. When do I get paid? How does the referral program work? How can I earn the most money with Cashcat? Are there any requirement for participation? Here you can join by typing email address, password and then click join now. This is how you can make money through trying new products.